Good morning, good morning. It is like day 5 of the black walnut tree cleanup. So Austin's back in town, so we're gonna go say hi to him. I will tell you something interesting about black walnut is black walnut stains your skin. I don't know if you know this, but I literally look like Raggedy Ann and Andy here. I got 2 dots, one on my forehead, from black walnut chips coming right off the chainsaw and smacking me in the face. And it doesn't come off. I tried scrubbing it, tried lemon juice, and oh well, it's I am black walnut stained. Austin's gonna help me. He's gonna move some firewood around and kind of clean up the mess there at the White House. We have to get the logs out to the farm. I think I'm gonna drag Austin with me. We're gonna drive out to the farm, get that done, come back for another load. We're gonna have to figure out a way to get the 2 heavy logs onto the trailer. I'm thinking about a come along, some ramps. That's kind of where my brain is. And the tractor would not lift the heavy log that we have cut. I'm pretty sure it's not going to lift that butt log either. So Austin and I are going to have to be creative. I'm kind of thinking ramps with a come along and coming behind it with the tractor and just kind of rolling it up the ramps. That's where my mind is anyway. So let's see how it goes. Well, look who it is. Back from Alaska.
Yep, I made it. Did get 8.
So what were you doing? Bear hunting?
Yeah, brown bears.
Brown?
Yep.
Anybody get one?
2 for 3.
2 for 3?
Yeah, nice bears. One squared out 9.4 and the other squared out 9.2.
Are you happy to be back?
I am.
You were ready.
Yeah, it was a good time, but...
You kind of missed me, didn't you?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. All 16 days I was bear hunting. I sure miss Nate.
I needed that, Austin. So you brought a rake. Good move.
Yeah, I got
that was
one.
just. Did I say bring a rake, or you just thought I'm gonna bring a rake?
No, you said a rake would be good.
That tells you where my brain is lately.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm fried. So you can see what we did here. Made a mess. But did you see that load of logs?
Yeah, that's gonna be some good stuff.
Yeah, we still have this guy to take down. This is a lot of wood right here. So this is the mess. I think I also brought a chainsaw because some of this is firewood.
Yeah, a lot of this is.
We'll clean this up. All right, so before Austin and I take off down the road, we're gonna make sure that the tires are not rubbing on the logs here. So we're gonna use the tractor to push this over. Then we're gonna come around to the other side and use the tractor to lift this log up, and then Austin and I will slide this over, and then we'll strap everything down tight. That's the plan anyways.
See what happens.
is 36, 37.
Yeah. I think you're gonna have to take the chainsaw and
Cut that off.
right there, and then you're gonna have to take this knob and that knob on the other side.
Yeah, that knob's gonna have to go.
But after that, I mean, it'll fit in your mill. It'll be.
Let's see here. It's definitely everything the mill will handle. Well, I gotta jump on a call, and then you can do all the work.
Yeah, I'll go back there and keep raking.
And then once you're done, I'll be off my call.
Okay.
Oh, there he is. This isn't done yet.
No, well, it's not quite done yet.
So do you just want to use the wheelbarrow, dude? I say we cut this down and get it loaded. How far up in there does it go?
Oh.
Clean little junk. Oh my gosh, it's like rotting down this. This is a accident waiting to happen, wasn't it?
It's a good thing you got this out of here when you did.
Yeah.
All right, watch yourself here.
About a foot?
Yeah, that one's solid.
Hold it on the end of the rake. Hold your hand so I can see how deep that is.
Just a second, see if I can feel her out and make sure.
Probably gonna be mushy.
Yeah, make it.
Oh, that's a good 18 inches, 2 feet.
18 or 2 feet. What's this?
It's not what I wanted to see. So put your hand in there and see how far we got to cut. When I say we, I mean you.
Yeah, I got you. Oh, hey, hold on. It's... So, you'd almost be taking it in half. By the time you get ahead of all the... You'd be cutting it like right there.
Is there any part of this that's good that we get a slab out of it? Like the heart almost.
If you could Alaskan sawmill it like through here, you might be able to get a couple out of that.
There's a 3-inch slab. That's about all I could get out of it.
Well, I mean, you could cut this.
Yeah, but that's only, you know, there's 3 inches of it that are flared out, so you're only going to get, I suppose you could. You'd probably get something. That sucks. It's not what I wanted to see, man.
Yeah,
I don't know if the tractor's going to move this.
I have my doubts.
Okay, we are loaded up here at the White House. Got to get this guy home. Dad is ready for it. He's back from Colorado. And we're going to leave this here. We're going to have hopefully Jesse come out and run this through his Alaskan sawmill and make us some slabs of black walnut with some crotch grain here. Should be pretty. That's the plan. That is the plan.